Hi, Ann. This is a first video from the study inside the house, and you can see on the outside how much snow there is in the neighbor's driveway and on top of the roof. You see the Touareg down there, and I'll show you the street all the way down. This is today, Sunday, February 14th, Valentine's Day. If I look a little bit down, you see the tree, and you see a path. That's Paco's trail. I opened that trail with a snowblower for Paco to be able to go. Otherwise, you wouldn't go anywhere. I'm going to back up a little bit into the house, and I'm going to show you the snow drift that we have in the window. Look at the bottom of the window. That is actually a snow drift in there. So that you have there to the right of the lamp, there is a large snow drift. That snow drift is close to a foot above the window sill. It's probably measuring about 3 feet or so on that particular spot. If you go to the other window, you can see the same thing, another snow drift here. So this is the snow drift right by the window on top of the porch, the roof of the porch. Okay, I'm going outside and then show you the view from the outside. Okay, today is February 14th, Valentine's Day. This is a view of the snow that we still have. That's Paco's trail, still with a good 16 inches of snow there. This is the front of the house. That's the major snow drift that I showed before from the windows up there. And it's just an amazing. This is 1 week after the first big storm. Just to give an idea, this is the sidewalk. The sidewalk here. They finally plowed today our street, and the dogs are having trouble in the snow. The neighbors' houses. That's it. This is February 14th, 1 week after the first blizzard, and beautiful blue sky. So I turned around to take a better shot of that auger and blower clearing up the road here on 197. It's really an interesting sight. It's really a very interesting sight to see. It's really the only way you can move this snow. You can see after the bridge on the left side of the road, you'll see that we are seeing this auger in action here. Coming up to it, right in front of us. That's very interesting. It's a huge piece of machinery. It looks like a machine from the army. It's definitely not a civilian machine. We're going to try to get this full shot of it. It's going to start blowing more snow in about a second. It's going to start chewing at that. The biggest gigantic snow blower you can find. There it is, chewing along on that. That is an amazing sight. Really the only way to clear up the snow. Otherwise, snow is going to be here forever on the streets. Pretty amazing.